Being a maintenance manager isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about planning, communicating, and making decisions that keep everything running smoothly. Whether you're new to the role or have years of experience, there are a few key areas you should focus on to succeed every day. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about planning and organization. As a maintenance manager, you're in charge of ensuring equipment is reliable and safe. That starts with having a solid preventive maintenance schedule. This means performing routine checks and servicing before problems arise. It's not just about avoiding downtime, but also about saving money by preventing costly repairs. To make this easier, use tools like a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. A good CMMS helps you schedule tasks, track work orders, and even monitor your spare parts inventory. Popular options like Micromain will do the job. If you're still using spreadsheets or sticky notes, switching to a CMMS can be a game changer. Next, let's focus on team leadership. As a maintenance manager, your team looks to you for direction. Clear communication is critical, especially during emergencies. Hold daily or weekly meetings to go over priorities, safety reminders, and progress updates. But remember, communication isn't just about talking. It's also about listening. Pay attention to your team's concerns and suggestions. They're often the first to spot potential problems. In addition to communication, technology is your best friend. Equip your team with tools like mobile apps for real-time updates on tasks and repairs. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that work orders aren't falling through the cracks. Now, let's get into the must-have tools of the trade. While your technicians handle most of the hands-on work, you need access to tools for quick inspections or diagnostics. For instance, a multimeter for electrical checks, a thermal imaging camera to detect overheating parts, an ultrasonic leak detector for finding hidden air or gas leaks. And don't underestimate the value of simple tools like flashlights, wrenches, and inspection mirrors. These might not sound fancy, but they're essential for quick assessments. Safety should always be a top priority. Make sure your team has access to the right personal protective equipment, or PPE, like gloves, helmets, and safety glasses. And don't just stop there, provide regular training on safety procedures. Organizations like OSHA or IFMA offer valuable resources and certifications to help you stay compliant and prepared for inspections. Remember, every repair and inspection needs to be documented. This isn't just for record keeping. It helps you spot trends, like which equipment breaks down most often or which tasks take up the most time. A CMMS can make this process a lot easier by automatically generating reports and tracking data for you. Speaking of training, staying up to date on the latest technologies and practices is essential. Maintenance is constantly evolving, and being in the know helps you stay ahead. Take advantage of online courses, industry conferences, and certifications to expand your skills. The more you know, the better you can lead your team and improve efficiency. Now let's discuss teamwork. Your technicians are your greatest asset, so invest in their growth. Cross-train your team so they can handle a variety of tasks and recognize their hard work. A motivated team will always go the extra mile, especially when they know their efforts are valued. And finally, let's talk about data-driven decision-making. Use the data at your fingertips to identify patterns and solve problems proactively. For example, if a machine breaks down repeatedly, it might be time to overhaul it or invest in new equipment. Metrics like mean time between failures, or MTBF, and downtime trends are invaluable for making smart choices that save time and money. Being a maintenance manager is no small task, but when you focus on planning, communication, tools, safety, and data, you set yourself and your team up for success. Every decision you make contributes to a safer, more efficient workplace. Thanks for watching. If you've got tips or tools you swear by, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights to help you excel in your role.